Hi folks, today I'm helping out some lovely people at Fiona's Tea Rooms in Frimley. I came in here the other day for a cup of tea and I took one look at the carpets and I thought to myself I could really do something with them. So I've come back to clean the carpets for free because I really like these people and I want to support local business. So we're going to try and make a difference here. So this is how it looks now. Lots of, there's a dog there. Hello. Lots of stains and that. Now, as if by magic, that's taken me less than 20 minutes to do. Okay, and those carpets look brand new now. And that's how they looked before, so quite remarkable. These carpets will be dry in probably less than an hour's time. But what we're going to do is we're going to shift everything from one side of the room to the other so I can get access to the other side of the room. Right, that's the job done. And just look at that. Everything done. These carpets will be dry in probably around about anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes. But shop's closed now and it's going to have overnight to dry, but I think you'll agree that that looks a darn sight better than it did before. And there we have it, folks. So if you like bunnies and you like cakes and tea, then get yourself down to Fiona's Tea Room in Frimley, on the Frimley High Street, because it's a lovely place, and you can see for yourself how good the carpets look.